Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder with Bitcoin, it is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here with this presentation, from the presentation standpoint, is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll keep the chart as as relevant and up to date as possible. The big event that happened since the last update I did was that the price has now actually broken down below that trend line right there as support. So yeah, not the best sign, and it does illustrate, yeah, the bears have gained a little bit of strength. But with all that being said, it's not the end of the world. It's not like the chart is destroyed or epically ruined or anything like that. But yeah, as far as, that ideal level, where had the price actually been able to continue to stay above there, and, that would have represented an extreme sense of power on the bulls' part. So again, yeah, the chart's not as ideal as it could be, but also, not the end of the world. So that line has played its role. So I'm just going to get rid of that from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to have lines and clutter all over the place. So the next question, and really the first question I should say that you should ask yourself, and let's just use the 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it. Question number one just becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 8,300? As long as you're answering the question that the price is still up above 8,300, that's definitely a sign that the overall chart is still perfectly fine. Now, preferably speaking, you can answer the question that the price is still up above 87.50, which is right now, give or take a little bit, the value of that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. So that would definitely be the preferable answer as well, Clay. Yeah, not only is the price above 8,300, it's actually still up above 87.50. That would be, definitely preferable, but again, not required. 8,300 is more so, that required level, because in the event you're saying, well, Clay, actually the price is down below 8,300. I mean, think about what that's implying. If the price is somewhere down around there, that's implying that all of a sudden the price has gone right back to where it was before the big breakout that occurred there. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So those are going to be the key levels as far as support are concerned. On the flip side of things, if you're saying, well, Clay, yeah, the price is up above 87.50, then the next question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to the $10,000 mark up there? If you were answering the question that the price up above 10,000, well, then at that point, it's all about gut instincts, common sense, meaning the higher the price is up above 10,000, that's just the more and more bullish the chart actually is. So, don't get me wrong, the price being right around here, that's great. The price is actually up above that level. The price being way up here, 10,500, well, that would just imply that much more bullishness for the chart. So use those general levels, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.